Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this very delicious coconut rice. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to make this rice. We have our tomato paste, our coconut milk, our rice, our beef, and our vegetables. First, we're going to steam our meat. I'll be using diced onion, salt, curry, thyme, ginger, spice mix, cinnamon, black pepper, and my seasoning cube. I don't use water to steam my meat. I just allow it soak in the ingredients and then I'll add a little water. For this, I added more water because I'll be using the stock to cook the rice. You take out your meat and pour in your coconut milk. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. I gradually pour in hot water and I let it sit for 2 minutes, then I wash it off. I personally do not parboil my rice. I'm not saying it's a bad thing to parboil your rice, I just don't. After washing my rice, I'll be adding it to the meat stock. So I'm adding my rice now. I'll let it cook gradually. If you're using basmati rice, once your meat is cooked, transfer your stock to your rice cooker and pour in your coconut milk. While we have our rice cooking, I will be preparing the rest of the ingredients. So I'm frying the onions. After that, I added my tomato paste. I'm going to leave it until the tomato paste is dried. You can see the tomato paste is dry. Add little salt to taste and half seasoning cubes before adding your vegetables. Add your vegetables. You can use any vegetable you want. I just like using vegetables because it makes the food beautiful. I just added the meat like that. It's well cooked. I'm not going to fry the meat today. For you to get extra coconut flavor, you can use coconut oil to fry your vegetables. The rice is ready. I'll be adding the vegetables to the rice. Oh, look at this food, guys. Doesn't it look delicious? Like, just make yourself some delicious food. Don't make your rice to be a regular rice, Make it look intercontinental. Do you know? You get me? You get me, right? When you're cooking your next rice. So I'll just gently mix it together. I did leave out some that I'll use to, dress my food. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and leave a comment. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.